What's up, guys? We are here with Rowan. He wanted to start a YouTube channel unboxing Pokemon cards, so it's gonna be our first video, and we'll kind of see how it goes from here, and I don't know, see what's up. So today we've got a 3-pack of cards here for Pokemon Lost Origins, Swords and Shields. He knows more than I do, so. And then we've got a...
Lost Origin?
This is Lost Origin too?
Yeah, I read it.
Okay, I guess this is a Lost Origin Pokemon 10 as well. So, Roan, which one do you want to go with first?
This one.
The 10? Alright. What's in it? What all's in the 10? Alright, so we get obviously the cool Pokemon 10.
Charizard coin.
All the way around. And then up to the lid. And then the bottom just tells you what's in it and such. And then you get a Pokemon coin. I don't know if you can see it or not. That's Charizard as well.
My favorite?
Your favorite?
Yeah.
I don't know, we got, and then three different packs.
I don't know
also.
the names.
3 different packs also, so let's see what we get. Hopefully something good. He knows more than I do, so we'll see.
And I get more
Huh?
good cards. I get good cards.
You always get good cards. Alright. Which one you want to go with first, buddy?
This one.
This one? Alright. Let's have the table. You're shaking.
Open it.
Need help?
Yeah.
Alright.
They're hard to open.
They are kind of hard to open. See, I'm an amateur as well. Alright. Here we go.
Yeah.
Obviously, the card,
Code
the code.
5.
Energy.
I don't know this one.
A Lopunny. Quad Squad. Or Quad Stone. Re-Energizer Energy. What's this? Chinchou?
Think.
Chinchou? I don't know. Medite?
I see something shiny. Dad, I see something
A
shiny.
Jupiter?
I see something shiny right there.
Uh-oh. Alright, well don't press on it. A Ponyta. Venonat. A Bravery Shiny. That's pretty cool. What's that one? An unknown?
V.
An unknown V? That's pretty slick. Cool, cool. We'll put these up.
Yep.
We got...
I'm trying to get the Charizard V.
You're trying to get the Charizard V?
Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna go with this pack.
You go with that back next? Alright.
I'm gonna try opening this pack. Sometimes it's hard for me to open them.
How many is it?
5. That's the
Code.
code card.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Alright, here we go.
Ooh.
Banana,
Just pull them on the
Energy, Seadra,
Wait. Yeah, Seadra.
Trainer card, Riley, A Gloom. Clefairy.
Oh, Clefairy.
Rosalia. Porygon. Inkling.
Play. Something.
Yeah. Blipbug? What is a Blipbug?
Let me read it. Bug.
Blipbug.
Ooh. It's a hollow.
And then
It's a hollow layer. If it's a star, it's blue.
and then a Darkria.
Yeah, I think it's that.
He said it's a hologram and it's rare.
Hollow.
So, hollow, my bad. I don't know.
Where's the good card?
The good cards.
Yeah.
That's all that was in that pack.
No, where's the VI code?
Oh, it's right here. I got it up here.
Oh,
right
it's
there.
open.
So how long have you been watching Pokemon pulls? Pokemon card openings?
I think about 2 years.
About 2 years?
I don't know.
So, here, let me help you. Oh, you got it. Good job. Careful. Alright, that's 5 of them. You just peeked.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright.
Right off the bat.
Oh, right off the bat he got one. What is that?
V-Star.
Regidrago V-Star. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Energy.
Energy, alright. Just sit them down on the table.
Golbat.
Golbat?
Yeah, I think.
Hold them like this. Golbat. Meowstic.
Meowstic.
Camera's here. Trainer card.
Gym trainer.
Nice. Snorlax.
Sandblade.
What is it?
Sandblade, I think.
Sandily.
Yeah.
Fennekin. Murkrow. Beldum. And then what's that
No,
one?
Radiant.
A Radiant Alakazam. Ooh, that looks like a really good one.
If it's a super white one, it's a good one.
Let's show everybody which one it is. That's pretty cool.
It's shiny too.
It is shiny.
Okay, now I'm gonna go get scissors real quick.
You gonna go get scissors?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Can you get me scissors?
So Rowan, what's your favorite Pokemon?
My favorite shiny.
No, just your favorite Pokemon in general.
What's his name? Dragonite.
Dragonite is your favorite?
Yeah.
Alright, and if you are
and-
using scissors to open Pokemon packages, make sure that your parents are right there with you, or you get their approval.
Dragonite and Lapras.
And what?
Lapras.
Lapras?
And Zapdos.
You think you just like them all.
I got 3.
Alright, this one here is the
Lost Origins.
Sword and Shield Lost Origins booster pack. It comes with 3 packs, so let's see what we got here.
Yo! You can go first.
Comes with 3 different packs.
I want to see the name.
Don't put your hand in front of it, silly.
I want to see it.
We'll show you.
I think yeah, it's the same one as this.
Oh, it is the same one. That's a good looking out. Alright, I'm going to try this one first.
Okay. Scissors?
Back up off the table. No, I don't need scissors.
Then we pulled, I'll show you the good cards we pulled.
Hold
If
on.
you want me. It's been 11 minutes. And
So?
11 minutes on this one too.
I can't get it open. I don't know what's going on.
Okay, I'll try.
Can't get it. That's got to be a good one since I can't get it open.
It probably is something good. But right off the bat, I got that.
You got it out?
Yeah.
How'd you do that?
I think you just knew if it like, yeah.
Alright, you said it's 5 of them?
Yeah, code
Alright.
card.
Nope. Code card.
Code card.
1, 2, 3,
Ooh,
4, 5.
five.
I don't know what that one was.
It says Vista on it.
Oh.
You could,
Alright, we
you
got-
could possibly get a Vista. Yeah.
An Gyarados.
You can possibly get a Vista
A V-Star.
card.
V-Star card.
You
That's
can
pretty
possibly
cool, I
get
guess.
a Vista.
Trainer Coreless Experiment.
That's cool.
Swanna. Porygon 2. Litlo. Meanfo. Guess that's how you say it.
Yeah,
Snover.
Meanfu,
Meanfu.
I think.
Rhyhorn.
Yeah.
Applum.
Yeah.
And then a Shiftry.
Shiny,
It looks like a shiny.
a hollow.
Or a hollow. Yeah. Looks pretty cool.
I want this one. Actually, I like this one.
Make up your mind, silly goose. Name what's something interesting about you, Rowan, that people can learn?
I don't know.
You don't know? You like playing video games?
Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of video games do you like to play?
Roblox and Fortnite.
Roblox and Fortnite?
Code card.
There's a code card. Alright, there you go.
Ooh, Machamp. That looks like me.
Oh, Machamp.
Machamp. Machamp.
Machamp, yeah, it's Machamp. I don't know, Machamp, Machoop, Chop.
Energy.
Energy. Lickalicky.
I thought it was Lickitung because I saw that.
Lickalicky.
Licky.
Cover it up. Relicanth. A lost vacuum trainer card. Bronzer. Electrolyte. Or I'm sorry.
Electrostrike.
Electrike.
Ghastly.
Binacle.
Kind of cool. That's cool. You get it? Because it is Binacle and it says it's cool.
Murkrow.
Then
And then
a
a Riley Trainer card hollow. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I got a lot of good cards. Last card. Dang.
Last one.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, what are we going to do about that?
I don't
You going to open it or you want me to open it? Nah, this is Rowan's. He's going to open it.
know. Yeah. Woohoo. Toad. That's 4. That's 5 right there. Yeah, that's 5. Ooh!
Oh, let's see.
Let's see what we got. Let's see. That was, I think that was 5. Yeah, that was 5. Yeah, that's 5. Why you did it?
We're doing 4 cards instead of 5 because the 5th one is always the good one.
Yeah.
We've noticed that the last couple packs. Alright. Rome, what do we got?
Basic energy.
Basic energy. Alright.
What do you put the emphasis? Cascoon.
Cascoon, yep.
Lampet.
Lampent. Yep.
Airborne.
Ambipom.
Ambicom.
Rumple. Wumple.
Clefairy.
Clefairy.
Lickitung.
Lickitung, that's a pretty cool one, actually. I haven't seen the art on that's really sweet.
Yeah. Horsey. Is that Horsey?
Horsia.
Horsia. Chapette.
Alright, what's the next one?
Duxton.
Dustox.
Yeah, Dustox.
That's a hollow. And then what's this?
Rotom.
Rotom V. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Awesome. Alright, so what's your favorite cards out of all of these, Rowan?
I want to see, I forgot.
So we got,
this
the
one,
big ones we got were
the good ones.
this one here. Right, this one's pretty good too.
Yeah.
We'll
And
put all
this
these,
one.
we'll put these here.
Lion's like
Hold on,
my
hold on, hold on.
Lion.
Obviously the unknown
Yeah.
and the bravery was a good one.
This is kind of good.
A Porygon?
If it's a soccer, it's
That's alright, if that's one of your favorite ones.
I like it. This.
We got a trainer card, Trainer Riley card.
That's oh yeah. No,
And
that's
a Machamp,
Chomp. That's actually
Machamp, whatever he is.
V-Star card thingy.
Yeah.
And Aerodos. And we forgot one.
Oh, hold on.
Can't reach it.
Not sure. This one we got the
Darkia.
Darkery. Off the
Darkia.
table, please.
There's the code.
And then we have anything
The
else?
Radiant thing. The Radiant Alakazam.
Radiant Alakazam was pretty sweet.
Yeah. Yeah. Big. The Beldum. The Beardum.
Beldum?
Beldum.
Yeah. The Beldum looks
Malcolm.
pretty cool.
Malcolm. It's an art.
I actually like these art ones. These art ones are really sweet.
And this.
Yeah.
The
Let me see what
Mako.
else we got here.
The Mako. And we put the art one.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
There's Drago. That's pretty cool.
Drago.
Alright. Cool.
Lady.
Alright. Rome, what do you think about the first opening we did?
Bus.
It's bussin'. Him and his bussin'. So, alright. We are trying to think of a name for this channel, so gotta figure it out. So, I don't know. We'll be back with another opening. See ya.